Should've, probably should've. It's my favorite line. Stick around, I would've. It just isn't what I'm like. Got no better way to put it. I know you're putting in the time. And every time I'm like, no, 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 you know I don't mean it right. There's nothing that you did, but didn't do. I say I really never follow through. The second I met, I felt it too. Yeah, I was gone. If I cut you off, it just means I care. Don't shut you out. Must mean that it's gone somewhere. It's not what I want. It's just all I know. Falling up and not even away without a mention go-goes. I like you the most. I like you the most. I like you the